Moving now to the state of Karnataka, where all the options are now being looked at to protect Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Amid the Muda scam heat on the Chief Minister, the Karnataka cabinet has withdrawn the general consent to CBI probe across the state of Karnataka. Going forward, the state government will decide whether they want CBI to be involved on a case-to-case basis. But this move did not go down well with the opposition, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP is now demanding that there should be a CBI probe in the Muda scam. The Saffron Party is also questioning the timing of the move by the Congress government in the state. In fact, state BJP President B.Y. Vijayendra alleged that Karnataka government is running scared, and this clearly shows that Congress is at the moment very, very fearful. They are not accountable. Especially when the own leaders are under scanner, how can Congress party be accountable in the state? That's what the BJP president is now asking. Congress's own leaders are asking Siddaramaiah to step down as the chief minister. Karnataka Congress's disciplinary panel is now saying that the BJP is misusing the situation to get advantage in the poll-bound state in Haryana, and chief minister must resign and must stop embarrassing the party.
No, it is not only Karnataka, it is the entire opposition parties in the entire country has taken this decision. In view of that, Karnataka government also has taken.
Why, sir?
We don't want the CBI to misuse its power, so we have taken this call.
That might be Mr. Koliwad's personal opinion, but the Congress party, the cabinet, the entire Congress legislators party and the High Command of Congress is right behind Mr. Siddaramaiah. You have seen how the governor's office is being misused in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Delhi. The same is being done here. They're just replacing, they're actually portraying the governor as the BJP state president.
KPCC President D.K. Kumar says that it is your personal opinion. Entire party and cabinet is with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Even the High Command is with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. But why you want to make these kind of statement?
No, it is my personal opinion. I am not telling on behalf of the party. I am in no way concerned with that. Because Shiv Kumar is the president of the party. It is his opinion, party's opinion. It is my individual opinion. Yeah. But in my opinion, in the interest of the party, to avoid the embarrassment to the party everywhere even in Karnataka and other states, it is my opinion to resign and come back again.
That is a welcoming gesture. It is a prerogative of any state government to just have the rights of who should come and who not to come and what case has to be taken up. So you know that CBI, IT and ED, they become a central BJP party's agencies. So I feel that it is a right decision.
It is a good decision. Yeah, it is the power rests with the state government. When the state government comes to know that they are misusing their power, then it is inevitable.
Without any court directly is taken up cases CBI is not proper channel, is not good also. That's why I will take a decision.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is now facing the heat. The opposition is now holding protests. The Bharatiya Janata Party is demanding that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah now needs to resign.
Political turmoil in Karnataka. Trouble mounts for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who faces an investigation in land allotment to his wife by the Mysore Urban Development Authority. The BJP on Thursday held protests demanding the Chief Minister's resignation. Demonstrators gathered at the Vidhan Sauda holding placards and shouting slogans.
After Session Court verdict, the BJP has conducted series of protests, including today's protest in front of Gandhi statue in Vidhan Sauda, demanding his resignation immediately. They allege that if Chief Minister Siddaramaiah continues to be in power when the investigation is happening at Lokayukta, it might influence the investigation.
Court is saying, not BJP, not anybody. Court is saying it is a scandal. So that's why we are asking the resignation of Mr. Siddaramaiah. When court is given the verdict, Siddaramaiah naturally has no right to sit in that seat.
He went to High Court and High Court has upheld the decision of the governor to further inquire into Mr. Siddaramaiah's land scam. So, Mr. Siddaramaiah being a chief minister, there cannot be a fair inquiry into the whole thing. So, it is he should resign.
Despite the mounting pressure, Siddaramaiah remained defiant, refusing to step down from his position.
ಆಗಲೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿ, ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಹೈಟ್ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು?
Congress leaders rallied behind Siddaramaiah.
There is no question of chief minister resigning. It is a political conspiracy. I have also tasted this conspiracy. We will fight it out legally and politically.
CM sir, today BJP are protesting is demanding
Amid the chaos, Siddaramaiah lost his cool when a reporter asked him about the BJP agitation.
Okay.
The uproar follows a Bengaluru Special Court's directive to the Lokayukta police to file a case against him in the alleged Muda scam. The case involves not only Siddaramaiah but also his wife Parvati, brother-in-law Mallikarjun Swamy and Devaraju, the alleged landowner. With the High Court also giving a go-ahead, the Lokayukta police are now set to start an investigation. With Sagai Raj and Anaga Keshav in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.